Power through food prep with small appliances that lighten the load. These are the top 4 kitchen helpers every home cook needs: a food processor, stick mixer, blender and air fryer. First, food processors. Chopping, slicing, grating, shredding, pureeing, these guys know how to prep, saving you time and effort. A powerful motor and a big capacity make these multi-purpose appliances ideal for bigger households or when you're cooking for a crowd. Some can also make dough for bread, pizza and pasta. Next, stick mixers. For quick and easy soups or purees, you need this gadget on standby. Simply place in a bowl or a pot and hey presto, job done. Look for a stick mixer with a balloon whisk attachment so you can mix batters and whip egg whites to perfection. Love milkshakes, smoothies and frappes? Then you need a quality blender. These are also the go-to for blending sauces, dips and dressings. Go for a glass jug that's easy to clean, portable plastic for when you're on the go, or sleek stainless steel to match your kitchen. And finally, air fryers, the healthier way to fry. A fan pushes air at high speed in these benchtop convection ovens. The result? Crunchy, deep-fried goodness with less oil. Cook anything you would normally bake or fry: crispy chicken, fish, beef and everyone's favourite, French fries. The good guys are here to help. Visit us in store or online.